Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting video. Today we are going to explore how ChatGPT can act as your personal language translator. Imagine having the ability to translate text between multiple languages instantly. That's what ChatGPT can do for you. In this video, you will learn how ChatGPT can help you translate words, sentences, paragraphs, and even script into different languages. You will also know how to communicate better in real world scenarios like traveling or working internationally. Alright, so let us dive in and see how ChatGPT makes language translation simple and fun. Let us start with basics. ChatGPT can help you translate individual words or phrases. So to get started, open the ChatGPT over here. So here I am going to use the ChatGPT Plus, that is paid version of ChatGPT. You can also use free version of ChatGPT as well. So here let us say we have a requirement to translate English into Spanish. In that case, just ask ChatGPT to translate this English into Spanish and just submit this prompt, and there we go. You can see the Spanish over here. See how simple that was. You can use this for greetings, quick messages, or just learning new vocabulary. Next, let us see how to translate French into German. So here just ask ChatGPT to translate this French into German and just submit this prompt and look at the output over here. So this is how ChatGPT translate this French into German. So this is perfect for multi-language communication or understanding everyday phrases. Now we have seen how to translate the individual words or short phrases. Now let us see how to translate full sentences. Okay, so this is useful for more complex communication. So let us say we want to translate English sentence into Japanese. Then here just ask ChatGPT to translate this English to Japanese and just submit this prompt. And look at here. ChatGPT handles sentence structure and grammar with ease, ensuring your message is clear. Next, let us say you want to translate Hindi to French. Then you can just ask ChatGPT to translate this Hindi sentence to French and just submit this prompt. And look at here. It's amazing how ChatGPT preserves the intent and meaning during the translation. Now that we have seen how to translate a simple sentences using ChatGPT, now let us move on to longer text, that is translating paragraphs. So ChatGPT can translate entire paragraphs while maintaining the context and tone. For example, let us see how to translate English to Spanish. So this is the English paragraph and we are telling ChatGPT to translate this English paragraph into Spanish and just submit this prompt. And look at here. ChatGPT makes it easy to communicate longer messages, which is perfect for emails, travel plans, or storytelling. Next, let us see one more example. So here I have written a blog post and I am going to copy these two paragraphs and I am going to tell ChatGPT to translate this English into German. So here go to ChatGPT and here I am going to say translate English to German. Now let us see how ChatGPT translate this English paragraphs into German. And look at here. This is awesome, right? So ChatGPT can able to translate two paragraphs into different language, that is from English to German as well. Now we have seen that ChatGPT can translate paragraphs into different languages. Next, let us see how ChatGPT can translate entire script or a blog post into a different language. For example, here I have written already a blog post, so I am going to copy this blog post content which is in English, and let us ask ChatGPT to translate this entire blog post or a script into different language. So let us say translate this complete script into Spanish. So this is useful whenever you want to have a subtitles or a captions for your video. Let us say you want to provide the subtitles or captions in a different language for your videos, then you can ask ChatGPT to translate your video script into different languages. So that is what I am demonstrating over here. So here I am telling ChatGPT to translate this complete blog post or article or a script into different language, that is Spanish. So content, here I have given the blog post content, but you can give the video script, or you can give article, or you can give tutorial. Okay, let us see how ChatGPT will translate. So this is awesome, right? So whenever you want to translate your subtitles from one language to another language, then you can go ahead and use ChatGPT. Next, let us see how ChatGPT can help you in a real world scenarios, like traveling abroad. Imagine you are in a restaurant in Italy and want to ask for a recommendation. Then you can ask ChatGPT to translate your English into Italian, and then you can use that Italian to ask in a restaurant for the recommendation. For example, here just ask ChatGPT to translate this English into Italian, and there we go. ChatGPT translated this English into Italian. So ChatGPT ensures you can communicate effectively even in a foreign country. Next scenario, like business communication. Suppose you need to send an email to a colleague in Japan. Then you can ask ChatGPT to translate English into Japanese. For example, here just ask ChatGPT to translate this English into Japanese, and let us see how ChatGPT responds. And there we go. So ChatGPT bridges the language gap, ensuring your message is professional and accurate. Okay, so let us see the next use case, like learning a new language. If you are learning new language, ChatGPT can be your practice buddy. So you can ask ChatGPT to translate English into any different language, and also ask ChatGPT to explain the grammar, grammatical mistakes and all those stuff. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to translate this English into Spanish and explain the grammar. Then let us see how ChatGPT will respond. You can see over here, ChatGPT translated this English into Spanish, and also it explained the grammar as well. This is awesome, right? So you can ask ChatGPT for explanations, helping you understand the language better as well. So here are some tips to get the best results from ChatGPT as a language translator. Be specific. Specify the target language and context. For example, mention if it's for casual or a formal use. Request explanation. Ask ChatGPT to explain the grammar and meaning of the sentence. Check accuracy. For critical translations, cross-check with native speakers or other translation tools. While ChatGPT is an excellent tool, it has few limitations. First limitation is complex text. It might struggle with highly technical or ambiguous content. Second limitation is dialects and slang. Certain dialects or regional slang may not translate perfectly. Third is context understanding. Without clear instructions, it might misinterpret the tone or intent of the text. So despite these, ChatGPT is a powerful resource for most everyday translation needs. Alright, so that's it for today's video. ChatGPT can be your go-to language translator, whether you are traveling, working, or just learning new language. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting content. Let us know in the comments what language will you try translating with ChatGPT next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.